This channel contains many videos about relationships of love. We are a part of nature, and as such, our relationship with nature exposes a part of our relationship with ourselves. I'm Dr. Lynette Wiest, and you're watching Wisdom's Peaceful Harmony. This video, it is titled, From Human to Mother Earth. Before I share this letter to Mother Earth, I want to first share two thoughts. First, we humans did not create the laws of nature, we cannot control the laws of nature, and we will not destroy the laws of nature. And then secondly, we must decide if we will allow nature to take care of us or not. And if not, we will continue this pendulum swing between our illusions of self-destruction and self-salvation. But neither is real. The only control that we have is to decide whether to humbly cooperate in nature's economy of sharing and caring for the resources of life or not. Our behavior declares our decision.